Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Itunu. It has been like, I can't even say a minute. It's been more than a minute since I last uploaded a video here, and that is because, as you can see, a lot has changed. I'm no longer texturized and I'm now fully natural. And in this video I'll be telling you guys why I transitioned from this to this. In 2013 I had my first big chop, and that was when I started my whole natural hair journey, and I think that lasted about 1.5 to 2 years. I'm not 100% sure. It's between 1 year and 2 years. I'm not sure. But after a while, like, I just couldn't keep up because I felt the need to change my hair every couple of days, because you know YouTube, you see twists out, you see braid out, you see sexy rod sets, all manner of things, and my hand is just always in my hair, and I just felt like I had to do something to my hair all the time, and I just really got frustrated. And then after a while I texturized it. I enjoyed being texturized because I could see more of my length. My hair was softer, but in the long run my hair was weak, and for me, if my hair is weak, like, I just can't deal. Like, what's the point in having long hair that is not healthy? Because I just really like when my ends are on the same level, like even, as opposed to having like straggly, uneven ends. And that was one of the major reasons why I was like, you know what, let's do this. And this was probably, I actually big chopped last year in 2018. I used my first texturizer in, I want to say, 2015. So that's 16, 17, 18, 3 years of being texturized and about 2 years of being natural. So by now, if I had just stayed natural, guys, my hair would have been like flowing in the wind and whatnot, but it's okay. And yeah, so if you're trying to decide if to stay natural or stay texturized, I mean, at the end of the day, the decision is yours. I will share in this video a couple of reasons why I stopped being texturized. Reason number one, like I said, my hair was very weak. The difficulty of trying not to apply the texturizer to the already texturized part of your hair. And it's like, it's almost impossible to like not ever texturize a part of your hair 2 times. So my hair just kept getting weaker and I just couldn't deal, and yeah, it was just not thick and full and you know, all of that. The second reason was my hair was just, it didn't have as much slip as my natural hair, and detangling was really difficult for me. Like, I kept getting so many tangles and it was so difficult to untangle, and I wasn't one to like always gravitate to a comb or a brush. Like, I would spend ages trying to detangle, and trying to put my hair in cornrows would take me like 2 hours, whereas like now I can just cornrow my hair in an hour and I'm done, you know? And like most of the work was just like, you know, wash days, detangling, and it was just a lot for me. Just couldn't do it, you know? So reason number 3 was because my hair was neither here nor there. It wasn't natural and it wasn't fully relaxed. Many hairdressers, like, I live in Nigeria and also sometimes in the Netherlands, and in the Netherlands I just never go to hairdressers, period. And in Nigeria, when I do go, most times they don't even know what to do to my hair. I get hairdressers telling me like, oh, can I just put some relaxer in your hair so we can just relax it? And I'm like, no. It was just like, no one really could handle it, because natural hair salons, like, I don't know why I don't trust these people. Like, if you live in Lagos and you're watching this video and you know a natural hair salon in Nigeria, please comment down below and let me know, help your girl, because sometimes it be hard, okay? Sometimes it be hard. Another reason why I transitioned back to natural, actually I can't even say I transitioned, to be honest. I just cut it. I was just frustrated one day. I got my scissors and I cut it. So I really didn't transition. I probably transitioned for 2 months, but that doesn't really count. So I just cut my hair. And another reason was because volume. Believe it or not, when I just texturized my hair was still, you know, somewhat full, but with each subsequent texturizer, my hair reduced in volume, and I don't want to be out in these streets with flat hair. Nobody got time for that. So I was just like, I was just not having it. And the last straw that broke the camel's back, I went and got braids when I was coming to the Netherlands and from Nigeria, and those braids were the last braids I had before I was like, nah. My hair was so weak that they were, my hair was stressed from the braids, and when I was losing my hair, I would have a section that was like this long, and then have another section which was like this. No, honey, no, it's not okay. We're not gonna have that. I was just like, no, you know what, let's start over again. My edges were gone, everything was just like blah, 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 blah. So yeah, here we are, back natural, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it, okay? I've got my fro back. It's been about a year. Yeah, it's been a year, and I big chopped in April 2018, and this is June, 2nd of June 2019. So it's been about a year, 2 months, yeah, thereabout. And in this video, I will be doing a length check for you guys, so you can, you know, kind of see what your girl is working with. I will not be using any tape rule or whatever. We're just gonna see where it hits, you know, it hits where it hits. Okay. Okay, so we got some, yeah, it's not part of it. Okay, so this is where, whoop! This is where we're hitting. This is where we're hitting right now, just about here. Yeah. And then on the other side, should be about the same. So yeah, we're hitting about here. Okay, and then the sides. Stretch that out a little bit. We're just about touching collarbone, but not quite. Not quite yet hitting. We're just almost, just barely hitting collarbone, okay? And I'm hoping it's the same on this side. This side is slightly shorter. I don't know why, but let's see. Yeah, this is barely hitting collarbone. So right here, just past my nose, just past. So this is what we are working with. Right, so now that my hair is now natural, of course I have new hair goals. And my hair goals, now that I'm natural, is to have the biggest fro in the world. I'm kidding. I just want big hair, right? I just want big, thick hair, healthy hair. I don't want straggly ends. Sorry, I'm just trying to fluff my hair back in place. So I want my hair to be fuller, thicker, and by my second year, I want my hair to be about here. By my second year, let's see how it goes. And again, I want healthy scalp, because I noticed that my scalp is really good when my hair is natural, because I don't get to put those harsh chemicals on my scalp every couple of months. So my scalp is just happy. My scalp is getting pleased with me now, okay? And so in what I aim to do in this channel is to kind of carry you guys along in my natural hair journey, and I will kind of juxtapose it with my texturized hair, which is now a thing of the past. And I'll let you guys know if anyone is trying to decide if to be natural or to be transitioned. You can just, if anyone's trying to be natural, to see if they want to be natural or texturized, I will carry you guys along the journey and let you know the pros and the cons of either of the two. So that is it for this video. I will be updating you guys every once in a while, doing tutorials here and there. If there's any kind of videos that you guys want or any questions you have about my texturized hair or my now natural hair, please comment down below. I will be very happy to respond to your comments. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye. Mwah.